staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. So it is 2 right now, 2 in the afternoon, and I woke up at 1:30, I guess. Yes, it's pretty late. I wake up pretty late in the afternoon. That's because I sleep also pretty late, so it's fine, it's justified. So I woke up at 1:30. I went down and I ate, and I did not shoot all of that because when I eat in mess, right? Hostel ka mess, and there are a lot of girls around me, and I do not want to, intrude into anyone's privacy. You know what I mean? So yeah, and I'm wearing kurti because last night I shot a makeup IGTV video for my Instagram, obviously, and उसको shoot करने के बाद I did not change. I took my makeup off, but I couldn't change. I did not feel like, so मैं इसी में सो गई थी. And don't mind if it's crumbled. I do not have iron. I live in hostel, so yeah. Basically, I was not uploading from past, I guess, 15-20 days, which you guys know already. If you do not, then I was not uploading because I have my exams from March में ही, and yesterday my exams got postponed. So I thought I'll vlog at least one day. That is one thing why I was not uploading. And the other thing is my day is pretty repetitive and monotonous. In like my lockdown time, I focused all my energy and all my focus was on YouTube only. I did not miss any day. I was posting consistently, and I also pulled off 2 series. So that was that. And now that my exams are here, I thought I'll focus totally on my studies and not YouTube for a while. But do not think that I have quit YouTube or anything. I won't post again, or it was just 10 days thing. No, it's not. I will be posting once my exams are over. March mein I don't think I will, because पूरा March मेरा exam चलेगा. After that I will be consistently, regularly posting. So that is that. The plan for now is I'll show you my day around. And अभी फ़िलहाल दिन में I do not study. I cannot. Okay, दिन में मेरा पढ़ने का intensity ही नहीं रहता है. So I'll just ऊपर से see if there is something that I can study or not or whatever, and then I'll see what's there that I can do. Okay y'all, so it is 4 right now, and I am having some cucumber, and because I'm hungry and I can have cucumber, so I'm having cucumber. Also, this is my timetable over here. Like, I have made the routine of whatever I have to study and कब मेरे को कौन सा चीज़ पढ़ना है. So I have made all the routine over here. Right, I sleep like here and my routine is here, so that as soon as I wake up I have it in front of my eyes. You know what I mean? And I'm watching some YouTube videos because I do not feel like studying anything right now. So yeah. So I don't know if I told you guys or not. I don't remember. It's 2nd of March today, and it's one of my best friend's birthday today. So that's where I'm going right now. I'm so excited to wear makeup and finally go out. It's been ages. I literally feel it's been ages ever since I wore makeup and went out. So I'm quickly gonna do my makeup. this is the makeup that I'm wearing. It's pretty basic, but so I'm back and I'm having ice cream, and I did not shoot much over there with my friends obviously, because not everything is meant to be shot. And now after I'm done devouring this, I'm gonna take a nap and clean my room because it's a real mess right now, and then I'm gonna see you once I'm doing something exciting. Hey y'all, so it is 9 and I just woke up. I so wanna take a shower right now, but मैं नहीं ले रही because I feel अभी exam का time है and I should not take chance, and I'll just go wash my face and hands and feet, and then I have to fill my water bottles. So वो करना है मुझे. I have not studied anything today, so that is also one thing I'll study now. अब बैठ के I'll study. कल मेरे एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन हुए हैं, होने तो वाले ही हैं, आज या 10 दिन बाद होंगे तो ना. So it's 6:30 right now. As you can see, बाहर काफ़ी रोशनी हो गया है इधर. Can you see now? अभी मतलब पूरा रोशनी नहीं हुआ है पर काफ़ी रोशनी हो गया है. So let me close this. And I'm about to go to sleep. I obviously did not study the entire time. I painted my nails a different color. I was having a green nail paint, I guess. I found a nail paint I tried on this finger and I was like, I want to wear this now. So I changed my nail paint. I watched some YouTube videos. I studied also. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. And I'm gonna see you pretty soon. I think I will be vlogging my first day of exam. I'm not sure because I'm 100% sure that I'll be shitting in my pants at that time. But let's see, let's hope, or else I'll see you after my exams. So yeah, wish me luck that I do well in my exams, and yeah, bye.